Imagine this. You make the right investment call. You pick a strong international market, invest in successful companies, and your portfolio grows. But when you finally check your returns back home, the numbers don't look as impressive. What changed? The answer could be something many investors ignore: currency risk. In today's global investing world, returns are not just decided by which stocks or markets you choose. And sometimes, currencies can quietly affect how global returns translate back into your home currency. So, what exactly is currency risk? In simple terms, it is the impact that exchange rate movements have on international investments. For example, imagine an investor outside the US invests in Wall Street. If those stocks rise by 10%, it looks like a successful investment. But if the US dollar weakens against the investor's home currency in the same period, the final return after conversion could be much lower. On the other hand, currency movements can also work in your favor. A rising foreign currency can also work in an investor's favor, adding to returns after conversion. This means global investors are often making two decisions at once. 1. Choosing an asset. 2. Accepting exposure to a currency. Take global markets as an example. A European investor buying US equities is not only investing in American companies, but they are also exposed to movements between the euro and the US dollar. This is why currency trends are closely watched by institutional investors and fund managers. Now, the next question is, what causes currencies to move? Several factors come into play. Interest rates are one of the biggest drivers. When a country offers higher interest rates, its currency can become more attractive because investors seek better returns. Economic growth, inflation, government policies, trade balances, and global uncertainty also influence exchange rates. During uncertain times, investors often move money into currencies considered safer, such as the US dollar. Over years and decades, these currency movements can create a meaningful difference in investment performance. This is where currency hedging comes in. Many global funds use hedging strategies to reduce the impact of currency fluctuations. A currency-hedged investment tries to protect returns from exchange rate movements, allowing investors to focus mainly on the performance of the underlying asset. But hedging is not always the perfect answer. It can involve additional costs, and sometimes investors may miss out on positive currency gains. For long-term investors, exposure to multiple currencies can contribute to portfolio diversification. When one economy slows or one currency weakens, exposure to other markets and currencies can help balance risks. So, how should investors think about currency risk? The answer depends on their goals. Short-term investors may feel currency swings more because exchange rates can move quickly. Long-term investors often focus more on overall portfolio growth, while understanding that currencies will move through cycles. The key principle is this: global returns are never just about stocks, bonds, or markets. Currencies are the invisible layer behind every international investment. They can reduce returns, they can increase returns, and they can change how investors experience global markets. As investing becomes more global than ever, understanding currency risk is no longer optional. Because informed investors don't just ask, "Where should I invest?" They also ask, "What currency exposure am I taking on along the way?" For investors who think about every layer of global investing, with dealing, invest beyond the obvious.